Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here, and as you can see it gives us access to other settings. One of these is the camera frame button here, so by tapping on this we can easily change the ratio of our picture, and as you can see for now it changes to 9:16. When I tap on this again we go to full frame ratio, and again 1:1 ratio, so this is the square one, and when I tap on this again we go to 3:4 ratio, which was the original one here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.